do a quick unboxing. I got a pop vinyl here for a size reference. These guys were on sale for 50 bucks today at Best Buy. Normally 200. The reality is there's not really any unboxing videos. People are going to see this thing. Just promotional video. And maybe it's just because nobody wanted to pump out the 200 bucks for this speaker. So it's a gesture control speaker, so you can swipe your hand up, down, left, right to, a second here, up, down, left, right to control volume and tracks. So that's kind of cool. We'll see how it's powered here in a second, see what the sound quality is. Get your instruction manual. Three-way gesture, micro USB port. So it's just going to be USB powered. I guess maybe hoping for a rechargeable battery might have been too much with this. Twist tie action here. It's pretty substantial. Trying not to break anything on the way out. Let's see how it is. My box is a little damaged here, probably from the inventory control system. Broken wrist isn't helping much. Well, there's that. So there he is. Let's get this twist tie off of his head here. It's pretty hefty. Well, I can see the speaker is down here at the bottom. And oh, it's got an on-off switch and then gesture. So there he is next to a pop vinyl. Let's give this guy some power and see what we're doing here. Alright, let's go on. Got a nice little blue light there. So when you go to sync it up with your phone, it shows up as a T-51, which is awesome. It's pretty slick, so let's see what it sounds like. Obviously not Fallout music. So switch the gesture control on. Well, that stopped it completely. So I haven't got the gesture control to work just yet. I think this playlist on this crap phone I have sitting around doesn't have more than one song in it for some reason. My son's old phone. So otherwise, sound is decent. It's pretty hefty. I'd like to see the gesture control work and you know, the distance that you can be. But other than that, it's pretty slick, and I'll be setting it next to my mini nuke. So thanks for looking.